No more can be traded. My heart's anticipated. I'm not too prideful to up and leave. You've been all complacent. The tides have been changing. Love is just patience, and for you.
What's up, babes? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be reading fantasy for a week. I just finished reading thrillers, and I think I did reading thrillers for a week twice. I think I read sad books for a week. I don't think I ever did fantasy. So this will be my very first reading fantasy for a week. And now, if you watch my mood reading vlog, you know that I did not finish the Gilded Cage. I kind of jumped into reading, what was it, Daisy Hates. So the first fantasy book in this vlog that we're going to be reading is Gilded Cage. And then I want to read Powerless by Lauren Roberts. Let me grab this right here. It's right over here. I really need to go ahead and film this TBR video. Not the TBR, the book haul. But I want to read this because I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. So we're going to get to this in this video. And I don't know if it's going to be another book or anything else. But I do know that I want to read The Kingdom of the Cursed. I do want to read that. But I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to go ahead and dive right into this video. It is 12:21 right now. So I will see you guys in a few. Hey guys, it is Wednesday and I barely read yesterday. I don't know what it is about this book, but I feel like I've been reading this book for like trying to get through this book for like 2 videos now. Yeah. So it's not a bad book. I think it's just me. I think my brain is just so wrapped around so many other books that I want to read because I'm such a mood reader, and I will put this book down and read another book, and then I'm like, let me get to this book and finish this book because, not like I said, it's not a bad book. I'm actually enjoying the book. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but I'm finna spend the whole day today right here in this bed until it's time for me to go pick up the kids. And even then, I'm taking this book with me to go pick up the kids because I'm going to finish this book today. I have to. And the reason why I have to is because a little bitty new book that I bought that's over in my book room. I have to finish this book. I told myself I have to finish this book before I even start that book. And I just cannot wait because that's like one of my most anticipated reads. And I'm just watching everyone buying it and reading it. Like they read it the same day they bought it, which was yesterday because it came out yesterday. And I'm in the middle of this video, so I can't I can read it in this video because it is a fantasy book. But I need to get through this one. So we're gonna sit here and read this book and get through this book, and then we're gonna start the next book. So I'm gonna let y'all hold me accountable because last night I almost hopped on the camera and was like, hey, once again, we're gonna put this book down and read this one. But no, we're gonna finish this one because I'm interested in seeing what's gonna happen in here with Kiva and her family and the royal family as well. So we'll see. I'll see you guys in a few. finished reading The Gilded Cage last night. I finally sat down and finished reading that book. And I'm so happy I did, because the ending of that book is so crazy. Like, that book, like, the ending of these books is so crazy to the point that I just wanted to dive straight into the Blood Traders. But that's going to be for another video. I gave the book a 4.5 stars. I really hate for this series to end, because the found family, the like all the high stake and drama in it is just like, now I do, like I told you guys before, the first book is kind of slow. It's kind of very repetitive, like a day-to-day thing. It's kind of repetitive, and when you get to the end, that's when they kind of pick up. So that's that on that. But when you get into the second book, it's kind of picks right up with this first one left off at, and it just dives into so much more. And I just love the found family. I love everything about this series so far. I can't wait to start reading The Blood Trader, because in my eyes this is going to be like a 5-star series, because it is so freaking good. I just don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. But as you guys, I did end up picking up Powerless for our next read for this video. So this is what we're going to be diving into, and I'm super excited because I've heard a lot of good things about this. So yeah, I'm about to get settled and start reading this, and you might see this book in another video. I don't know if that video is going to come out in November or in December. So you will see this in another video as well. But yeah, let me get settled and I'm going to start reading. Hello babes. Hello. We are 30% through Powerless by Lauren Roberts. So far so good. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm really enjoying it. Let's get there. I'm obsessed with the banter between, I'm bad with names. I am so bad with names. Excuse my hair, y'all. It needs to be refreshed. I'm just so, Peyton and Kai. I just love the banter between those two, and you like I don't know, it just does something to me. But anyways, it's basically about this guy. I think it's like the ordinaries and the elites. Are they called the elites? I feel like my hair is just, but anyways, yeah, they are called the elites. It's about the ordinaries and the elites. The elites are people with magical abilities, and the ordinaries are exactly what they sound like, ordinary human beings. Prince Kai is sent out to kill all ordinary people, because the king feel as though if they don't have any powers, they bring in illness to the kingdom and causing everyone else to get sick. So Peyton, she doesn't have any powers or anything. She's ordinary, but her dad told her early on that in order for her to be able to stay alive, and she has to lie. So she has everyone thinking that she's a psychic, and she's not. And one day something happened where Peyton all of a sudden gets kind of chosen to be a part of the trials. And although her father taught her how to fight and how to fight well, she has to keep up the persona as though she's an elite and not just ordinary. But you could tell somewhere in this book they're gonna fall in love with each other, because the way they stay at each other's throat is crazy, and I'm obsessed. So, what time is it? I don't know. So it is like 11. I think like 11, going on 12 o'clock, and it's like 11 o'clock in the morning, going on 12. I think, I'm not sure. I don't know what time it is right now because my phone is in my bedroom. But I'm about to lock in and read this book until like 2:45, until I go get ready to go get the kiddos, and then we're gonna see how far I can get in it with that time. But it is fairly a quick read. Like, I've never felt myself like flying through a book as much as I'm flying through this one, because yeah, I'm kind of flying through it. So I'm about to go lock in, sit down, read this book, and then I'll check back in with you guys later. So yeah. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and I still have my bonnet on. I'm deep conditioning, and if you say anything about it, you're anti-black, and that's it on that. Um, I'm finally finished reading Powerless, and who told me to read this book so soon? The next book don't come out until July 2024. And the way that one end, I am stressed. Why do I keep doing this? Why do I keep doing this to myself? And then the crazy thing is, it's like, it's got to this habit where I'll read a book and straight enjoy the heck out of it. And then when it comes time for me to read the next one don't hit as hard as the first one or the second one in the series. Like, for example, a Curse for True Love, The Ballad of Never After was a 5-star read for me. And I was expecting nothing less from A Curse of True Love. That wasn't it. Like, and I'm just so stressed out because maybe I'm gonna have to reread it. Maybe reread Powerless around the time. Probably like in March, April, May. So that I can be refreshed on what happened. But the way that book is so freaking good, the way it's so good, the way that I don't know, it's just so good. I see the hype behind it. I really do see the hype behind it. And I see why everyone loved that book and why everyone was just so obsessed with it and saying like it was the best thing. It is an amazing book. I love the banter between Kai and Peyton. I just, they say it gives Hunger Games. I've never read Hunger Games. I never seen Hunger Games. But if Hunger Games gives what Powerless gave, I need to read Hunger Games. Like, I really need to read Hunger Games or watch the movie or something because, oh my God. I'm so stressed because why did I not look up? Because a lot of people said that the next book was coming out, and I don't know why I didn't look up when it was coming out before I chose to read this one. And I knew what everyone was saying. Like, it's an amazing book. That book is so freaking good. It is so good. It is so y'all. If you haven't read, oh my God. I am so, like I'm going through it right now because I have to wait all the way to July of 2024. It is like it is November, the beginning of November. Like, girl, I am stressed. This is ghetto. This is ghetto. I always do this to myself. The next book that I read that's part of a series, if the whole series isn't out or the first couple books in said series isn't out for me to dive into it as I go, then I don't want to read it until those books come out because, child, I'm stressed. I am so stressed. Because I need to know. I need to know. I need to know. Like, I just, y'all, I'm going to just go ahead and cry in the corner somewhere and go wash this deep conditioner out my hair and prepare for my day. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later.